Black Power. This your brother Alik Africa, the black cracker smacker. Quick to clap on who? The motherfucking cracker. Man, I just wanted to send a shout out to the Huru Academy Pharaohs, man. I won't stop talking about it, man, because that's what the mission is about, man, giving these babies the opportunity that we didn't have. You know, a lot of us brag about the information that we accomplished, but I get to witness it on a weekly basis, on the education that our children are getting, man. And we trying to do various things for them. We want to upgrade this shit, man. You know, it's a shout out to the general, because, you know, Lone Star RBG, we fuck with the general. Cyrus Sudden City, no doubt. I know some of y'all probably seen the pictures where we were getting that first-hand information, man, from the general himself, man, fucking around with these Texas boys, man, because we really more about putting in the motherfucking work than all that talking, you know. That's why I really just haven't been on the videos like that, man. We're gonna try to, you know, do what we can do, man, make this thing jump even more. You know, the Nat Turner music is gonna be on tour, man. The brothers will be heading to New Orleans to bring that massacre, man. For y'all ain't heard the sticker, man, you're sleeping. You gotta listen to the album. There's so many jams on there, man, it's ridiculous. I also want to give a shout out to that boy Kings, man, doing his thing on that Black Power music, man. You know, we on some no compromise shit. We ain't bowing down to this cracker, but I wanted to say a little something for the, you know, about the sisters, because, you know, man, niggas always find something to say about the motherfucking sisters. Want to run from the fact, I remember reading something what the Honorable Elijah Muhammad said, for every messed up woman, a man did it, goddamn me. You know, I remember reading Niggas to God, and it's how who's the real bitch. You know what I mean? Just being real, man. Look at the shit that our women are allowed to go through and suffer through, and we don't do a motherfucking thing. So, you know what I mean? And the first thing we want to do, we want to kill a nigga behind mama. But all black women are mothers, man. Mothers of this motherfucking civilization, man. So, you know, we need to be focused on that. Niggas don't want to say the black woman is God. They feel like that's blasphemous. Nigga, that's real. You know mama is God, nigga. You know grandmama is God. You know your daughter is God. Half the shit niggas do on the streets is for a goddamn woman. You know, niggas hustling. You know, niggas living above their means, fronting and stunting, have $1,000 worth of clothes, $2,000 worth of clothes on, they ain't got $1,000 in their account. Nigga got fancy cars, parked outside of a ragged ass house that ain't even paid for, but they want to attract the woman's attention. Nigga, everything you do is about a woman's attention. You know in your DNA that the black woman is God. There's niggas in prison right now because they ego. You know, when I say the ego, they wear this really not in a bad, you know, yeah, I guess you could say it's in a bad way, because niggas do the disrespect you, but they wonder how they gonna look on the streets, you know, in front of the people, and how the women gonna view them too. So niggas do it all for the black woman. So don't front like you don't. And then, nigga, it's kind of homoerotic anyway, you always giving your, you know, if you find something wrong with God being the woman, if you can't grasp your mind on that, hell, even the scripture said, for God so loved the world, but they say he gave his only begotten son. Man, we know men can have children, probably, if you want to, hell, you can have 12 a year, every month, if you got it like that. You know what I mean? But we anybody who's witnessed the birth of a child knows what the black woman goes through, knows and sees how the child is nourished and developed within this woman's womb. And they, you know, I've read some stuff that said, you know, when a woman give birth, it's like she dying. It's the closest thing to death. So even in that scripture, to me, it makes more sense. For God so loved the world, she gave her only begotten son, because it's hard for a woman to give birth. She has a mystical tie. They say that shit even in the Quran. So the next time niggas doubting that the black woman is God, slap your motherfucking self, man, and just bow down and admit it, man. Your life will get a lot easier, man. You can't handcuff God. You can't control no woman. She's not your property. Do not let this cracker put that in your head, that chauvinistic shit. It's very un-African, man. The first images of the God were of a woman. Black Power, man. Support the motherfucking Uhuru Academy. I'm talking to the street niggas. You niggas out here getting all this money, nigga. Donate a little something for the babies. Give something back, nigga. You can do it anonymously. Black Power.